Every day, thousands of small business owners all across Wisconsin compete for you. Between dining, painting, partying, and more, finding a locally owned business is simple these days. Though knowing they're right for the job can be another story. We search for passionate, community-oriented owners and help tell their story just a little more. This is Where to Start.
Coming home in the summer, just doing some painting and freelance stuff. I kind of was good at it. So then I started, after college, I started painting for this other guy and did an accent wall for a client. The pitch of the ceiling where it met the wall was like a 45-degree angle, so it's kind of not exactly easy to make that a clean cut line. He was very impressed. It turned into a couple jobs from there. I was like, oh my God, I'm like pretty good at this. And that's kind of how it started. And I just kind of grew from there. Next thing you know, I started my own business, and 11 years later, here I am.
Have anybody come in and do it, and nobody does it the right way. And there's not one single right way, but there are several correct ways. A lot of companies work on volume, and that's not what I do. I work on perfection. Something about getting to see all the amazing architecture in Madison. Knowing that I'm helping people get closer to having their homes look the way they imagine. Some people just see another interior, exterior painter, but I've been doing this for over 10 years now. It's become a passion of mine. I never walk away from a job until I know I've done it right. I put the quality of my years of experience into every step. It seems a lot of beginners tend to cut corners, but even when I was tying my ladder in the trunk of my car, I made sure every step was accounted for. I do this for my family. My little girl's everything to me. I want to create something that she'll be proud of me for. Sometimes I'll sneak home over my lunch break just to say hi. This all started off as something I could do for myself because I enjoyed it and I needed a gig over summer break. Every day I work to turn it into something bigger and better. Not just for myself, but for my family. This city has given me so many opportunities. I've lived in Madison for over 30 years. It's become a part of who I am. And see my work all around this great city makes me proud. From making sure my customers get all the information during their free consultation, to using high-quality products and a team I trust, I do what it takes to come as close to my client's vision as possible. My reputation is what I stand on. It's how I've gotten this far. My clients know they can trust me because of it.
Well, I actually...
Work with quality.
Learn more about how you or someone you know can join the Where to Start series at frameperfectly.com/WTS.